Have you ever wondered why green tea tastes so bitter when steeped for too long? Thanks to Japanese educator and biochemist Michiyo Tsujimura, and her groundbreaking research into the nutritional benefits of green tea, science has the answers. Today's Doodle celebrates Michiyo Tsujimura on her 133rd birthday. Michiyo Tsujimura was born on this day in 1888 in Akegawa, Saitama Prefecture, Japan. She spent her early career teaching science. In 1920, she chased her dream of becoming a scientific researcher at Hokkaido Imperial University, where she began to analyze the nutritional properties of Japanese silkworms. A few years later, Tsujimura transferred to Tokyo Imperial University and began researching the biochemistry of green tea alongside Drive Umetaro Suzuki, famed for his discovery of vitamin B1. Their joint research revealed that green tea contained significant amounts of vitamin C, the first of many yet unknown molecular compounds in green tea that awaited under the microscope. In 1929, she isolated catechin, a bitter ingredient of tea. Then, the next year she isolated tannin, an even more bitter compound. These findings formed the foundation for her doctoral thesis on the chemical components of green tea when she graduated as Japan's first woman doctor of agriculture in 1932. Outside of her research, Drive Tsujimura also made history as an educator when she became the first dean of the Faculty of Home Economics at Tokyo Women's Higher Normal School in 1950. Today, a stone memorial in honor of Drive Tsujimura's achievements can be found in her birthplace of Akegawa City. Happy birthday, Michiyo Tsujimura! Like, share and subscribe to Doodle Catalog.